Hello and welcome to our Ashampoo UnInstaller 9 video tutorial. We all love to try out new software from time to time. Here's how to remove programs without leftovers should you decide against them. Once launched, Uninstaller presents you with a detailed summary of installed applications, apps and browser plugins. Tiles for previously monitored installations display a blue triangle in their top left corner. The tiles are clickable and act as navigation shortcuts to their underlying program sections. I'll demonstrate this now. The tiles at the bottom display the most recently installed applications, along with the ability to instantly trigger their removal. Automatic installation monitoring is a particularly handy feature of Uninstaller that goes far beyond default uninstall scripts and painstakingly logs all system modifications during installations. This ensures complete software removal when needed. Here's how to get rid of an installed application. If the application is not listed on the overview page, click Applications on the left. The table lists all installed applications and includes details like installation date, file size, and whether the installation was monitored by Uninstaller. It also includes customer-supplied ratings to help you quickly spot unnecessary or even malicious programs. For additional information, like program version and file location, click the info icon next to the affected application. Use the subcategories on the left to filter through the list of programs. In this example, I'll use the text search to uninstall XNView. Once found, I check the entry. You can repeat this process to select additional programs if needed. The number of selected programs and their aggregated size is displayed to the left of the Uninstall button. Click Uninstall to trigger the removal process. We've pre-selected in-depth cleaning for you. Click Settings to further customize the uninstall procedure. I want to hide the original uninstall routine, so I enable that setting and click OK to confirm. I then click Uninstall to proceed. Once the application's removed, you'll see a brief summary including number of deleted objects and disk space reclaimed. Click Close to finish the process. Next, I'll show you how to install applications in a way that ensures their clean removal when needed. As stated before, monitored installations lead to detailed log files including all file and registry changes. There are different ways to trigger a monitored installation. In this example, I've downloaded a program from Download Portal that I'll now install through Uninstaller. I therefore access the notification area and click the Uninstaller icon. Next, I drag the setup file into the designated area to launch the installation process. I then follow the steps required by the setup and hit Installation Completed once the setup is finished. Afterwards, I'm presented with a brief summary of the changes made during the installation. The application is now installed. You can also trigger installations from the main interface. Simply click Install and either drag the setup into the designated area or click Browse to manually select the file. The process is then identical to the procedure described before. Finally, you can use the Windows Explorer context menu to install new software with Uninstaller. Simply right-click a setup file and select Install with Uninstaller. Once the installation is complete, you can review the new log file on the overview page. That's it for today's video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Uninstaller.